Well, here we are with back to Pimp My Trailer. The trailer's over at my buddy Green's shop to get repainted, so everything has been sanded down smooth. All the logos, they're going to paint it today, so we'll have some pictures of it as they're painting it. You can see all the logos and everything been sanded smooth. It's looking really good here at Green's Paint and Body Shop. And the back of the trailer, everything's sanded down, should have a great look. So in the pure tradition of Dark Horse Racing, that we don't want to have to pay a lot for anything. There's a little Triumph TR6 here that we're getting ready to do an engine job on and get it all up and running. Already rebuilt the carburetors, and so I'm doing that work over at my shop to pay for the paint job on the trailer. Good swap out between buddies, so I appreciate it, Mr. Green, for helping me out. And that is Pimp Your Trailer, the next episode. Well, here we are at Pimp My Trailer, the follow-up. The paint is on, as you can see this color. There's the man right there, painted it. Woo, that's a good looking color. All right, here we are with Pimp My Trailer. The new LED lights are on, so we got new LED tail lights, new LED marker lights up there. We got the fenders done on the right side and the trim put back on. There's another LED marker light. There's our trim, our black fenders. Trim. So all that's done. Looking pretty good. It's a little overcast right now, so the trailer looks pretty dark. It's trying to rain on me. But that's kind of where we're at. We're hitting on the home stretch. Pimp My Race Trailer, really the final edition. So it's raining here, but that's okay because we're going to take a little time to go over it. The color is an Audi color, which is called Dolphin Gray. Hard to tell in the video, but it's got a metal flake and a pearl in it. We trimmed it all in black. All of that's done. Everything is sealed, so the whole trailer is done. You can see it on the back of the truck. So we got it all done. Came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. All the lights are in. We've got the sticker, as you saw, for the Trans Am series. Stay tuned for more news about that. But we may have a big announcement soon about comings up in November with the Trans Am series. All the trims on, the rain gutters, all that's in. Unlock the door. Flip on the lights. Fan comes on. Everything's finished there. We got all our supplies there, and this is pretty nice. You pull the pin, and that drops down into a workstation. Got a place there for our tire pressure gauge, which is in the toolbox, and our pyrometer. All that's there, and our basic chemicals. Coming to the trailer, first aid kit, oils. There's our oil shelf with all our oils and belts and stuff for the car. All of our ignition parts, brake parts, all that's organized up through there. Tie down straps, that's all the straps you need for getting the cars tied down in here, our communications and radio gear. And then we've got the workbench. We've got our nuts and bolts all organized into here. You open it up. There, all the keys are safety wired on so that you can't lose them, which is really a pretty big deal because that will happen. And you just pull out a bin, open it up. These are our metrics. Everything's organized, all set up and ready to go. So you got what you need. Each one of the bins is full of all the different stuff we need, fasteners and equipment. Everything's all right there. The rest of the drawers will have tools and some bungees. Our jack is there. You unscrew it, comes out. Jack stands for at the track, couple of seats, more radios and equipment. All the old stickers from back in the day. We've got a 110 light set up there. Got this one here, our helmet goes up there. And then the Hans device, it's got its own place right there. Fire extinguisher, the crew uniforms are here. All the driver's uniforms are upstairs, put away. Then our folding tire racks, these are all back through here. One set going down each side. We've got new fuel jugs coming, so we'll have 4 new fuel jugs right here and the fillers that go with it. And coming back into the back of the trailer, a rack to hang some stuff on, our table for what we need, the tailgate's up, a couple of extra boards that we painted and got set up to go. But everything is done. Fans in. And we appreciate everybody watching our Pimp My Race trailer. And if we do anything else, we'll let you know. Thanks. So long.